High, the eye of the eagle, the section of the unseen world. I hold the key of the world today and the world to come. I welcome you all.
Thank you, Your Majesty. We were planned. Little did we know there was life at once moving the earth. You have filled our heart joy. You have lavished our eye with pleasure.
Today is an important day for this big family. We are having a new member that's going through the initiation ceremony. Let it be clear that we are here on this earth to make our mark and go. Hiding yourself through hills and mountains, valleys and heights, while there is a short route to the top. The great Shahanta is ever ready to provide all I need.
The great Shahanta, the Mexico, the one who travels the world without a plane. The giver of wisdom and wealth. You are planned on God.
Step forward, our new member, for the process to begin. You are welcome to the big family. Collect, stay your wish, and consider it done.
Your Majesty, I want to be famous throughout the world. I want the entire world under my feet. I want to be the richest musician that will ever walk the surface of the earth.
Give me the ring. The great Shahanta. I'm sure that your friend told you everything before coming.
Yes, he did, Your Majesty.
You must first of all swear the oath of secrecy. Say this after me.
I, Derek Asuma,
do this day solemnly swear
do this day solemnly swear
that
that
I give you Lord Shahanta my body,
that I give you, Lord Shanta, my body,
my soul,
my soul,
and my spirit.
and my spirit.
I swear to keep every secret. Take it, drink it. You have just drank the blood of broken the virginity of a virgin. Come closer! You have been fully initiated into the big family. Yes! Yes!
Oh, Lord Shahanta.
But Your Majesty,
Hey! I hear to me. What you have done? You want to be famous. You are now to finalize the process. Listen carefully. You are to bring sperm from anal sex. Come closer. You shall not take women as your mate, only men. Listen to me carefully. You are to bring sperm from anal sex. You shall not take women as your mate, only men. You have 3 days to bring the demand.
how? Where? Why? Your Majesty, I can't get it. My friend never told me all this. I'm no longer interested. This is barbaric. It is guilty. I am a Christian and it is against the Bible.
You can't say a Christian. Can you hear? You want to be famous and you want the whole world under your feet. You don't want to sacrifice.
Oh, you Lord Shahanta. Oh, you Lord Shahanta.
There is no return from here. Pay the price. Pay the price.
You are not exceptional. Every high can with no price. So, you mean I don't even know what to say? How do I get
Are you not a man?
in this world?
You either kill somebody or somebody kills you. You better kill somebody. There is no money waste of killing a cow.
There is no negotiation in this. You have only 3 options. Pay the sacrifice, epilepsy, or madness. Your time starts now. Remember, you have 3 days. Only 3 days. Hey, not until the grandmaster takes the lead. The Lord shall be with you always.
And be with your spirit.
Emadek.
I'll take them and I'll switch our house with them. And suddenly be close to me. I'm becoming suspicious. I mean, Julian, what did you do? Why is that the next thing?
Why? You are always suspicious of people. Your house mistress is also your mother. I don't think she has any ill intention for you. She has always been friendly to students. That is called people's mother.
People's mother.
Oh, yes.
People's mother. Hey, you don't understand questions that you have been asking me. Dufi, are you a virgin? Dufi, are you dirty? Can you imagine all of this?
My dear, don't be naive. Questions are to be answered. Again, she has no ill intention for you. She meant no harm.
I'm not just getting it. Why are you acting like a lactating lion? Are you part of her friends of people's mother?
I will not be part of this discussion. Let me alone.
My sentence, I don't understand this girl. Is everything alright with you? I do everything. I don't believe this. I'm the Scott of this hour. It's not tell me it's money they talk. Money they talk.
Hi, ladies. Why are you happy? What are you watching? You are not invited, Osofo Mami. Leave us alone. Some things are meant for girls only.
Osofo Mami.
Yes.
I'm amazed. And not to be for only girls. Why am I a man? Let me just be.
Okay, but only on one condition. Promise me you wouldn't tell anyone about it.
I shouldn't tell anyone. Okay, you show me.
Okay, you can.
Hey! Hey! May God forgive you! Hey! You should have told me. Luffy, why are you acting like this? Sometimes you make me feel bad for having you as a friend. What's wrong with this? You are the only stranger from Jerusalem.
Venice, tell your friend I didn't invite her. You shouldn't make me angry. That's why I left your company. Let me go and
What is it again? Are you a virgin? Haven't you watched one before? I am. It's just like take it easy, girl. Yeah, that reminds me. Why is no tense on their own? AKA your majesty. Whose majesty? Whose majesty? I hate that man with my whole life. He has been initiating students for custom. And that's not enough. He has been with girls as if he's drinking water. My sister told me everything about him. If not for the headmaster, my father could have arrested him. He got my sister pregnant and then he aborted it. If not for God's intervention, my sister could have died. Wow. Yeah.
You are right, I understand. You see, sometimes it saddens my heart, and I wish I was in your shoes so I could visit. You know something? He's always late when he's in the biscuit.
And you know the worst part of it? I just don't get it why they still price himself as a teacher here.
I wonder.
Something has changed in you. Hey, really? What could that be? I've been wondering. Why do ladies like you so much? Why? Don't you fear ladies at all? You're always talking with them. That's no strange boy. Ladies love me because I'm smart. In this world, you must be smart. Smartness the game. Look, I eat freely, I drink freely. Eventually, do everything for free like free essentials. How's that possible? Experience the best teacher. When you see a lady, be bold and call her. They hear demonstration. Make her understand. She stands tall among her peers, and she will fall for you. You don't mean that, do you? I mean it. Hey, there come two ladies, Nancy and Duffy. Talk to Duffy. Nancy's already mine. Hey! Yeah! Yeah! He even gave it to His Majesty some time ago. Oh my God! I won't say I don't see the spell last time. Okay. When I buy a car for you, I try it for you. So go for your chair. Yes, I like it. Please.
Hey, who are you?
My friend wants to talk to you.
Your friend.
Alasa, he's a good guy like you.
I want to meet the lady.
Alasa, be bold and talk to her.
Listen, see her. You are my friend. I'm also your friend. I know your name. There are people have been saying you are not good at all. You like insulting. Please don't insult me.
Oh, feel free to say. I like to insult you. Besides, my handsome
You mean I'm handsome?
yeah, that's it.
What should I say? I'm sorry.
Are you not a man?
No, thank you for giving me this. Let everything that we do not be counted as sin, but forgive us in advance.
Hey, what am I saying? What have you done to her?
Lord, Shahanta is at work. I made her watch porn. Trust me, I'm already into her. She is also now in the soup of her house mistress. People's man.
Hey, Dolly, go now watching porn. AK make mosquito much up ahead there. I see no place up there. Relax, hey. Don't forget to listen to the class. Lord, Sahanta will reward you.
You need not worry about her. I will do that just soon.
Hey, you want me to listen
Yes, that's
to the let's go.
I wonder why a good Christian of all standards, why they started church? I don't believe the devil is the least.
Oye, que oṣegbeye. Oye, 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 oye. I, the mouthpiece of the Most High, the eye of the eagle, the searcher of the unseen world. I hold the key of the world today and the world to come. I welcome you all.
Thank you, Your Majesty. We were blind. Little did we know. There was life, but we were wandering the earth. You have filled our heart joy. You have lavished our eyes with pleasure.
Nancy, my humble servant, what is the situational report on your assignment?
Your Majesty, the Lord Shahanta has been so faithful. She never disappoints. Dufia has been sacrificed on the altar. This is her blood. Indeed, she was a pure virgin. She is now a lesbian.
You done a great job. May the Most High frustrate her. Collect, say your wish, and Lord Shahanta will do it.
Your Majesty, I want Lord Shahanta to write my wasi for me.
Consider it done. Don't go and sit at the exam hall. Lord Shahanta will sit in your place.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Derek the Magnificent.
Your Majesty, the Lord Shahanta has been faithful. Philip has been used for the ransom. Here is the space.
Lord Shahanta doesn't eat food made with chemicals. The sperm.
Your Majesty, what do I do now?
Do what's expected of you. You have less than 5 minutes to complete your mission. To ease your burden, you have to go in for virgin blood. To make it easier for you, the last virgin on this campus was sacrificed yesterday. Go for 2 to 5 years old child who are still virgin.
But Your Majesty, you told me not to touch any female.
You have less than 5 minutes. Don't just bring people here without coaching them. Otega, for your punishment, you have to have intercourse with a pig and bring the sperm. You have 7 days to bring the demand. The Lord shall answer be with you.
And with your spirit now and forever.
Ke Oshebeye.
Oye, oye.
Ke Oshebeye.
Oye, oye.
Ke Oshebeye.
Yes, I'm alright. My time is only running out. Why did I join this group at the first place? Vanity. Vanity upon vanity. All is vanity, says the preacher. When will I get a 2-year-old? Within 5 minutes. I know this girl is a virgin. Buffy and Dennis, come here. Which of you is a virgin?
Look at this one too. Smoking isn't good for you, but I wouldn't hate you a simple advice. A man's boy like you are losing it. What's wrong with you?
Really? I'm losing it. Hey, then it has started.
What's virginity for? Does it put food on the table?
My dear, do you know any girl child on this campus less than 5 years old?
Seriously, you are losing it. Wake up, young men. Children that is attend to SHS. Go to the Reverend Father's house. He has a baby girl there.
Yes, that's true. The son prepared the baby girl when we came to school last semester. She has been 3 years by now. Thank you for advice.
So is this gentleman? Is everything alright with you? God have mercy on you. And you, what's wrong with you?
I don't know what's wrong with me. Everything is messed up.
You can tell me, confine the room.
But please don't tell anyone. I don't know how to help myself. I don't know what Nancy did to me since the day I watched porn on the phone. I've been having indiscriminate feeling for sex. I can no longer control myself, and please help me.
How can I help if the Lord doesn't help you? I want you to stay away from Nancy, but you wouldn't. There you go, let me be.
All the money and the provisions that you enjoy are from all the sales of my body. Please don't do this to me.
Carry your own cross, don't police me with your demon.
No, please don't leave me. Dear Lord Almighty, Creator of heaven and earth, and all that in it, today I have carried the heavy weight of my sin. I know I'm not worthy to call you Father, but please have mercy on me. I know that Lord is Jesus. Please cleanse all my sins and make whole over my body. I know that you are God and you have taken me with you. Thank you for saving me. Amen.